Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So all these days we had seen some cooking videos, skincare videos and travel videos of mine. So today I'm going to start with my fitness video, which I told you in the intro videos. So to begin with this, I'm going to share my weight loss experience and my weight loss journey throughout 5 years, where I had lost from 76 kgs to 54 kgs. So actually I weighed around 72 kgs and when I was planning to lose weight by around 6 to 7 kilos, unfortunately the weighing scale showed me around 76 kgs, which made me more disappointed. So as a result, I had to order a new pair of jeans and some dresses where I was no longer able to fit into my old clothes. So that was the time actually I started disciplining my diet and also started doing some basic workout. I really don't want to gain weight furthermore, so I decided to follow this lead. So coming to the breakfast, to be very honest, I never used to have my breakfast since the time I joined my MBBS, because we have the lecture by 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's very regular that I used to skip my breakfast, and it followed for so many years down the lane, where even my friends advised me a lot, like you should never skip your breakfast and everything, but in spite of that I used to skip my breakfast. But now for the past 6 months I understood that breakfast plays a very big role in the metabolism of the body. So now I started having like kind of brown bread, peanut butter, apple, and of course all the fruits in that case. And of course juices are most important diet in my breakfast. So I used to have around 500 ml of my orange juice and pomegranate juice, ABC juice, carrot juice, which I'll be posting in my upcoming videos. So all my regular diet, everything will be posted. So lunch will be the routine with rice and more of vegetables. And dinner I'll make sure that I'll have it within 7 p.m. maximum from 6:30 to 7 p.m. And I'll tell you why that I'm having my dinner within 7 p.m. because that plays a major role for your weight loss, of course. And also followed by that, after 45 minutes I would have my green tea. And of course you can have green tea at any part of the day, by 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. or even by evening, but I take it only by the night. And I'll also tell you why I take it by the night, because of course that again plays a very major role for your weight loss. And of course I switch between fish and kebabs, and of course I take also fulkas or dal. So maximum I try to keep my dinner very light, exploring a variety of food option, and do not believe in completely abandoning any food group. Hence I make it a point to stay balanced when it comes to cheat days, and also I do some extra workout, and also I make it a point to do some extra workout, to be very frank, when I'm deviating from my journey. So treadmill for 1.5 hours, I make it a point that I do 10,000 steps per day. That will burn around 600 calories. And also I do some basic exercises. Of course I do plank for 1 minute. Your diet plays a major role in your weight loss, and you need to be patient and understand that there is no shortcut to weight loss. I made it a point to keep check on my calorie intake. Of course I have stopped eating and drinking anything which contains sugar, like kind of chocolates, fried foods, aerated drinks, and even I stopped drinking milk. Instead of that I altered with soya milk and almond milk. Well, the way I look confident now helps me to stay focused and consistent. Rapidly gaining my weight when I was not able to fit in the clothes of my choice. And of course I was also not confident while clicking photographs. Started looking older than my age. So I love myself, and I'm in a shape where I feel good about myself, and this is inspiring me to stay focused. So I understood that fitness is not a destination, it is rather a journey. And it is also important to understand that life is more important than numbers on the weighing scale. So going forward, I'll be sharing some weight loss recipes and also some basic workouts which I had done, where you can start shedding some kilos and you can keep yourself motivated, confident, fit and focused. So stay tuned. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care.